everyone, welcome back. Is Jyoti.
And Shruti, what's up?
Is there a feminine version of Nithalla?
Nithalli?
Nithalli, is it?
What is with the
Nithalli.
Nikammas and the Nithallas?
I don't
Like,
know. Is
is he
Berg's
referring to
theme?
himself or to the
Yeah,
world or both?
himself.
I mean, he's hardly Nithalla and definitely not Nikamma.
I
So
know.
these are his like ऐसे वो होते हैं ना कि ओवर स्किल्ड लोग की फैंटेसी होती है कि अरे हम कितने लेजी और निठल्ले और वैसे निकम्मे टाइप होंगे, लेकिन वो होते बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है.
होते हैं opposite. The man is doing too much.
He's
Too
doing too
much
much,
on his
exactly.
plate. Every time I have a chat with him, he's like, I take on too much, I'm dying.
So this is his fantasy coming out basically. ऐसे
Yeah.
गाने निकाल के he's like दिल्ली तमन्ना निकालता हूँ मैं ऐसे. वाह, I like it.
Yeah, so basically he's dropped Nikamma ke baad sequel hai Nithalla, but I think I saw on his story that it had to happen. I had to release this. I couldn't release it before because too many things happened. But this is a follow-up to Nikamma, and now he's going to come with an album or something. I don't remember.
Acha, nice.
So let's quickly read the blurb and then listen to the song. Nithalla serves as the title track from Bharg's latest EP, which blends alternative rock and pop influences, creating a catchy yet introspective track that explores themes of internal wishes, exactly what you were saying, and self-doubt while following a carefree approach, in contrast to the pressures of adulthood and the overwhelming expectations to succeed. The lyrics touch on the internal struggle of balancing dreams with reality, conveying a relatable sense of vulnerability and honesty. Musically, the song's rock-influenced production and grungier undertones complement the lyrical themes while underscoring the pressures of modern life. This is poised to become an anthem for a generation, resonating with anyone grappling with life's demands. We are all with you, Bharg.
Wow, I like it.
Beautiful. Well written also. Let's listen to it. Chalo.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, play. See, sir.
क्या करूं feel real I don't know what's the deal fuck motivation baby I just really want to chill on the beach और एक मसाज और फिर पार्टीज और रात को सुबह उठूं तो पूल में और फिर गाड़ी को भगा दो like vroom सारी ये बातों को नीचे डालो और कारपेट करो और फिर उड़ा दो और मैं हूँ हर जगह खाली बैठा हुआ दिमाग तेरी सांस की ऐसी तैसी यान देखे ना पका like I don't know what to do.
Ooh. Lovely it was.
Can we just give him the prize for beat switches of the year?
दे दो, अभी दे दो.
Just
ऐसे डबल ट्रिपल ऐसे भर के बस दे दो.
Yeah.
हाँ. What a lovely song.
Yeah, you know what this said like journal में आप लिख रहे हो अपना like life का thoughts and issues and all that, and then suddenly you get so fed up you just start scratching this, tearing it and like you know scribbling
like
all
that's the
over.
best way to take the frustration out, and then you're like
फिर आपके पेंसिल की वो भी टूट गई and you're still like ओहो बहुत ही रिलेटेबल लाइंस.
बहुत थेरेप्यूटिक होता है वैसे वो करना. मैंने बहुत बार ऐसे
it's like going to a rage room,
it's very therapeutic. Yeah. Oh, but very nice song. Yeah, I loved it. It was lovely. It was
I
so
like
nice.
it. I like
Yeah.
it. I like it. When it started now, I was thinking this thought that this vibe wale Bharg songs, we immediately मेरी आंखों के आगे sepia filter आ जाता है, you know, like I'm just like, we have come to a nice
Nice.
old zamana place. All that happens,
Uh,
and then he
uh.
snaps you out of it with all this raging Euro guitar
I
skills.
wonder what he's thinking when he's making this. I know he's written the whole excerpt, and I get that. But what I mean is, like, maybe it's because he's doing too many things, and he's like, लेकिन मैं अपना music, अपना ही उसका ही music चल रहा है सब जगह, like, what he's creating, and then he's like, no, but I have to put my own thing out as well. And at that point, this must literally be his personal space to do whatever he wants with nobody telling him how to go about it. And like, when you take out your frustration, basically, exactly everything we've been talking about. So I wonder if that is truly that for him, whenever next, like, you chat with him, record it so that we can also see it.
I feel like it's kind of like, life का background song ये है, और ये बहुत लोगों को वैसा लगेगा कि ये ही चल रहा है, background में यही मेरे thoughts
like game
चल रहे
face
हैं.
off. And then when he has to go again, it's the game face on, but then when he puts it off, then it's this song.
Yeah, or even like imagine you're sitting and working in the office, यही song चल रहा है, wish I could wake up in the morning, go to the pool, रात को party, ये सब आपके thoughts चल रहे हैं, and then little smashing of the plates happens, and then you snap back to reality.
And right there, ladies and gentlemen, you have the music video concept.
It's like those people who are sitting and doing yes sir in the office, and then they go to the loo and they scream for 5 seconds and they come back.
आजकल तो proper scream rooms होते हैं यार सारे corporate offices में. Yeah,
Really?
scream rooms they're amazing.
I didn't know this.
Except that in one of the things they even played a game के like बोला scream room है लेकिन है नहीं, तो अंदर जाके बंदा चीख रहा है जोर जोर से, सब आवाज सब कालियां बाहर आ रही है.
रेडियो में तो वैसे भी होते थे हमारे
रेडियो में तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है,
scream
scream room ही होते थे सारे,
सब.
as long as faders down.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, lovely, yaar. So Nithalla is continuing from the Nikamma zone, and Bharg is continuing to show us his musical genius. But I feel like I must say that Karta Kya Hai and what he did with the beat on that track this year has it's just, I feel like if you with your music can go neck to neck with a Raftaar and a Karma on a track, then hats off, man. Hats off. That is no mean feat, and that beat switch in that track has just taken the cake and the table and everything, the candles. So, theek hai. More power to Bharg on that note. More power to all the Nithallas and Nithallis. And, it's all good. Life works out. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
On the beat और एक मसाज और फिर पार्टीज और रात को सुबह उठो तो पूल में और फिर गाड़ी को भगा दो like vroom. सारी ये बातों को नीचे डालो और कारपेट करो और फिर उड़ा दो और मैं घूमूं हर जगह, खाली बैठा हुआ दिमाग तेरी सांस की ऐसी